How gold performs when the dollar weakens. Did you know that the value of the dollar affects your savings? When the dollar weakens, it can lead to higher prices and a decrease in your buying power. But gold often performs well when the dollar drops. That's why investors see it as a strong hedge against currency devaluation. With a gold IRA, you're not only protecting your retirement from market swings, but also from fluctuations in currency. Want to make sure your future savings keep their value no matter what happens to the dollar? Check out the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com for more on starting a gold IRA. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.